Ready to shine for Allah? Let's go! First is the intention and niyyah. It's the first step for everything we do. Let's make a good one. Bismillah. Let's begin with a happy grin. In my heart for Allah, I start. First, I wash my hands up so clean, making them sparkle, what a scene! Second, with bubbly sound, the cleanest mouth is all around. Third, a sniff and gentle blow makes my nose feel fresh and glow. Fourth, a splash right on my face, shining bright with Allah's grace. Fifth, my arms, the water goes from my fingers to my elbows. Sixth, a swipe across my head, blessings from my Lord instead. Seventh, for my ears I'll wipe too, ready to hear what's good and true. Eighth, a wipe across my neck, keeping everything in check. Ninth, I wiggle and wash my feet, oh this feeling is so sweet. All clean and ready, head to toe, to pray to Allah, now I'll go.